Hi, thank you so much for tuning in to Yoga Flow with Kim today. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to guide you through a yummy, healthy apple cider winter stew. So please subscribe to my channel. As much as I love raw food for the nutrient bioavailability, there's something about eating hot stew in the winter time that feels so warm and cozy and nourishing. So I'll start by explaining all the ingredients, then I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, and in just a few hours you'll have a warm, nourishing, hot stew. So first you'll need 3 cups of organic apple cider. All my ingredients are organic, by the way. Next you'll need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So if you happen to get sick in the winter time, which a lot of us do, we get colds, flu, apple cider vinegar is one of the best healing remedies for colds and viruses. Apple cider vinegar is antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, so it's an amazing health benefit to add to your diet. The next thing you'll need is 1 pound of organic baby potatoes. So I have purple, red, and white potatoes. 5 large carrots. So these are what organic carrots look like. So notice how they're different colors, they're a little misshapen. The organic carrots don't look bright and orange and like cookie cutters, just so you know the difference. So you need 5 of those. Then you'll need 2 cups of organic broccoli. This is what organic broccoli looks like. So you might notice it looks a little different from other inorganic broccolis you've seen. And then you'll need 2 pounds of meat or plant-based meat. So you can add chicken, turkey, beef, or if you're a vegan, you might want to get 2 pounds of pea protein meat. One of my favorite vegan brands is called Beyond Meat, and most of their protein is pea protein base. So 2 pounds of whatever meat you would like, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of organic virgin olive oil, 1 yellow onion, 3 organic garlic cloves. So garlic is another super healthy ingredient to add. If you happen to get sick in the cold, garlic is antiviral, antibacterial, it's super healthy, and it helps boost your immunity. 1 red pepper, about 2 cups of organic tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of Italian dressing. Season the beef with a combination of the salt, pepper, making sure to coat on all sides. In a Dutch oven, heat the olive oil on medium-high heat, adding the meat in single-layer batches. Turn every couple of minutes, allowing to brown on all sides. Transfer the browned meat, or plant-based meat, to a large plate and set aside. Add more olive oil to the pan if necessary, and saute the garlic, onions until soft and translucent, about 8 minutes. Add the onion mixture to the meat plate. Turning the heat back up to medium-high, add the apple cider, scraping the bottom of the pan to loosen all the browned bits. Stir in the apple cider vinegar, tomatoes, and Italian seasoning. Then, return the meat and onion mixture to the pot. Lower the heat to medium-low and cook the stew at a gentle simmer for 3 hours, partially covered. After 3 hours, add the potatoes, carrots, and broccoli, and cook for another 45 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Enjoy! It tastes delicious and nutritious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know how you like it. And remember, you're not going to get quite as many nutrients as you would as eating raw food, but you're still going to get a lot of nutrients with all of these amazing ingredients. So broccoli is a great source of chromium, and broccoli is one of the most well-known vegetables to fight cancer and other harmful diseases. And remember, apple cider vinegar, garlic, and onions are great at fighting bacteria and any other type of viruses. So if you do have any type of winter cold or winter illness, any type of seasonal ailment, this stew will help you heal, and it will hopefully nourish your soul as well because it's warm and yummy. Namaste.